Have you ever felt trapped in a job you no longer love, even though you have enough savings to retire? You're not alone. Many people who are financially ready to retire stay stuck in the workforce due to fear of the unknown, fear of running out of money, fear of market crashes, and even fear of losing their identity. But here's the truth. These fears are holding thousands of people back from enjoying the retirement they deserve. In today's video, we're going to break down these fears and give you the confidence to step into the next phase of your life with financial security and peace of mind. So, let's dive right in. What exactly is keeping people from retiring, even when they have enough savings? From my years of working with pre-retirees, I can tell you it's rarely about hitting a certain dollar amount. Instead, it's the fear of uncertainty that keeps people chained to their desks. I've seen clients with millions in savings hesitate to retire simply because they're haunted by what-if scenarios. What if I live longer than expected? What if there's a market crash? What if I have unexpected medical expenses? These doubts create an endless cycle of delay, costing years of freedom and health that they will never get back. And here's the harsh reality: whether by choice or by force, we all have to stop working one day. So, shouldn't you be in control of when and how that happens? At the root of these fears is a major misunderstanding about financial security. Many people fixate on a magic number they need to hit. But the real key to retirement success isn't just the amount saved, it's understanding how to turn those savings into a reliable, sustainable income stream. The consequences of delaying retirement due to fear are serious. I've worked with too many clients who look back with regret, realizing they could have retired years earlier. These lost years mean missing time with family, missed travel opportunities, and lost chances to pursue passions while they're still in good health. Retirement isn't just about money, it's about quality of life. Now, if money isn't the real issue, then what exactly is stopping people from retiring? From my experience, there are 4 common fears that hold people back. Fear number 1. The unknown duration problem. One of the biggest fears is outliving your money. Unlike other financial goals like saving for a home, retirement has no fixed time frame. You might need money for 10 years or 40. Because of this uncertainty, many pre-retirees push back their retirement date, thinking one more year of saving will give them more security. But in reality, no amount of extra working years can eliminate this uncertainty entirely. I recently worked with a couple who had over $2 million saved, more than enough for their desired lifestyle. Yet, they continued working in high-stress jobs out of fear that they might live into their late 90s. Ironically, their continued stress was hurting their health, reducing the very years they were trying to protect. Fear number 2. Market timing worry. Another common fear is retiring right before a market downturn. This leads to a never-ending waiting game. People delay retirement during a strong market, expecting a correction, then delay again during a downturn, waiting for recovery. I've seen clients delay retirement in 2017, 2018, and 2019 because they were waiting for the correction. When the market dropped in 2020, they then delayed again, waiting for recovery. And now that the market is strong again, they're still waiting. This cycle can steal years of retirement. Fear number 3. Healthcare cost uncertainty. The fear of medical expenses is another major roadblock. We've all heard horror stories of people who lost their savings due to unexpected healthcare costs. These stories, while rare, create a perception of risk so big that it paralyzes decision-making. I worked with a physician who, despite his deep understanding of healthcare, delayed retirement for 5 years over long-term care concerns. Ironically, his stressful job was increasing his future healthcare risks. The solution isn't to avoid retirement, it's to have a strong healthcare plan in place. Fear number 4. Identity transition fear. Finally, many people avoid retirement not because of financial concerns, but because they're unsure of who they'll be without their career. Work provides structure, purpose, and social connections, and leaving it behind can feel daunting. I once worked with a business owner who had more than enough money to retire but couldn't let go because his identity was tied to his work. Once we helped him find new meaningful pursuits, his financial anxiety disappeared, and he retired with confidence. These 4 fears: outliving savings, market crashes, healthcare costs, and identity shifts combine to create the perfect storm of retirement hesitation. But here's the good news: you don't have to let fear dictate your future. How to break free from retirement fear. The key to overcoming these fears isn't just saving more money or waiting for the perfect time to retire, it's about preparing for the unexpected. This is what I call retirement contingency planning, a strategy that helps you plan for different scenarios so that nothing catches you off guard. The best way to do this is by wargaming your retirement emergencies. Just like military training prepares soldiers for battle, you need to prepare for different retirement situations. Ask yourself, what will I do if the market drops 20%? How will I adjust my spending if my healthcare costs rise? What steps will I take if I live longer than expected? By discussing and documenting these plans with your spouse, financial planner, or family, you desensitize yourself to these risks. The more you prepare, the less fear you'll have. The harsh truth is, if you keep waiting, you'll sacrifice some of your best retirement years, the years when your health is strongest and your ability to travel and enjoy life is at its peak. The purpose of saving all these years is to delay gratification, not to deny yourself the life you've worked so hard for. So, are you ready to take control of your retirement? If you want a step-by-step framework to ensure financial security and confidence in retirement, check out the free webinar I'm hosting this week. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching Profit Powerhouse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable financial insights. See you in the next video.